This is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your lost game data on your PlayStation 5 if it got deleted, corrupted, or something like that. And this is very easy to go ahead and do. Now, some games you can do it just on the home screen here by going over the icon, and then you can press options on it. And if it's a PS4 game, it should say upload, download, save data. And then what we could do is simply just go to download right here, and you can download it back to your PlayStation. So another thing is it's going to say synced for PlayStation 5 games. So if I go to check sync status for this PlayStation 5 game, it's going to say please wait, and then it's just going to make sure the cloud storage and the PlayStation 5 storage is the same. So it says save data is synced. Now what we want to do is go up to the top, select settings, scroll on down to save data and game app settings right here. Then go on down to the game. So we can go to save data PS5. If it's a PS5 game, then go to download or delete from cloud storage. Then we want to choose the game. So let's choose a game that's not very large. So here's Call of Duty. There's only like 53 megabytes on it. So I can select this game data. So if I was playing the campaign or something like that, well, that should be saved in this file right here. And then we can go to download. And then we should be able to recover it. It says auto sync is turned on for this game. If you download the save data manually, auto sync for save data will be turned off for this game. Do you want to continue? So you will have to turn on the auto sync after this too, if you want to continually be auto synced. So we can back out after we download this, and then we can turn on the auto sync. So it says save sync data right here, and then we have to go to the game status and just make sure it's enabled. So let's go to view sync status right here, and then just go to Call of Duty and just check mark that again so it's continually synced with our data. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.